Hi, Christian Fautz here, Core Real Estate Properties. I'm in front of our most recent flip house at 4303 First Place, Southeast Cape Coral. We're about to close on this in about a week and a half, and it's a 3-2 block house built in 1966. Roof is in good condition. It needs a new AC unit, and then you can see on the exterior here, it needs a lot of cleanup, exterior paint, get rid of these shutters on the outside. But the neighborhood's beautiful. I mean, right across the street over there, you have canal front homes, a deep access canal out to the river, which leads into the Gulf of Mexico. So I'm gonna walk you here on the inside of the house. So here we are, you come into the house and into this really cool open living room. It's got all these bookcases, which we're gonna keep, and we're going to just paint them. Get rid of the carpet. We're either gonna do tile throughout this house because it's a concrete slab, or we're gonna do vinyl planking. We haven't decided yet. Take you into the kitchen, which we're gonna do all new shaker style cabinets, granite countertops, all new appliances. So since we do so many flips, we have our own distributorship for our own cabinet line, which makes it really easy for us as far as ordering and getting them in quickly. Garage here, brand new garage door. We're gonna do new lighting in the kitchen as well. And then as you come in through the house, I guess you call this maybe like a back study area, but it's got really nice flooring, so we're gonna leave that floor in here. Once again, just put some lighting, new ceiling fan. And then there's a door over here on the side that takes you out to a lanai, which we need to rescreen, power wash, and put new tile flooring on the exterior out there. So this was a probate lead. We found this through our marketing. We do postcards as well as we drop ringless voicemails. And this gentleman called us and said, received your postcard and we're interested in selling. My father passed away a few months ago. We're deciding whether we're gonna list it with a realtor, put some money into it, or just sell it as is. So I came here and I met with a neighbor who had a key, and I looked at it, did my assessment. That afternoon, after looking at it, I made them an immediate cash offer. They got back to me and said they hadn't decided. They made a counter offer. Then I made another counter offer and they accepted it. So we're in contract now. And like I said, I'll be closing in about a week and a half, 2 weeks on this. So there's the first bedroom. New carpeting, new blinds, new ceiling fan. There's a third bedroom right there. And then here's the guest bathroom. Completely needs to be rehab, new vanity. Toilet's actually new tub. Get rid of the wallpaper. And then I'm going to take you into the master bedroom here, which is a nice size. Nice closets. Each bedroom has a nice closet. There's a linen closet over here in the hallway. And now I'm going to take you into the master bathroom. Same thing. This one needs to be completely gutted. Keep it as a shower. New vanity, new toilet. New temper showered glass. So we're really excited about this. Our game plan is we're going to have all of our subs lined up and demo the day after we close on this. And we're probably looking at about a 2-week to maybe 2.5 week rehab on it, get professional photos taken, and then we're going to put it on the MLS. So we have this under contract for $116,000. The ARV, or after repair value, is about $179,000. And we have our own real estate brokerage that we're going to be listing it with. We're actually with a no commission broker, MVP Realty. And we'll only be paying a 3% commission if a buyer's agent brings us a buyer. So we're looking at about $20,000 repair costs, about $7,000 in closing costs and commission. So we're roughly looking at about $28,000 to $29,000 profit on this rehab. So we're really excited. Stay tuned. I'm going to have updated videos as we go through the demo rehab and once it's finished. We just closed on it about 12 days ago, and we have the front of the house all cleaned up. There were trees, shrubs growing into the house, into the soffit, and we just had a company come clean it all up, and then I had a stump grinder out here, and they grinded all the stumps, and there was a palm tree over here. You could see all the mulch that we created from grinding this up. So the plan on the outside is we're going to get rid of these shutters over here. We're going to paint the trim, and then we're going to repaint the house, fix some of the fascia over here, and make the exterior of the house. And once we finish power washing them, we're going to do a nice paint job, get rid of these shutters over here. Now I'm going to take you inside the house over and show you. We got rid of all the linoleum that was here, and there was carpeting in here, linoleum in the kitchen. We haven't started demoing the kitchen yet, and I'll circle back to that. Down here as well, all the carpeting came up. Bedroom here, same thing, all the carpeting, baseboard, redoing the closet in there. Same in the second bedroom. Bathrooms, we just started demoing them, getting off all the wallpaper. Let me tell you, this wallpaper is from the 1960s. Talk about a bear getting up. The adhesive alone, it takes half a day per bathroom just to get that up. So when you're doing your fix and flips, budget an extra time whenever you see wallpaper. Here's the master bathroom. So with this house, I'm looking at maybe a different strategy to see if I can sell it. I may just wholesale it. So you see how it's all gutted? We're gonna skim the walls and do a paint on the interior and the exterior. We're gonna finish the lanai out here.